Video 5.4 Azure DevOps Services. In this video, we will cover the following topics. An overview of the important Azure DevOps services. DevOps is a set of practices that combine software development or dev and IT operations or ops. Let me explain this. Software development requires many steps. Organizations have different teams involved in each step. Suppose you are developing a face recognition system. There are two teams in your organization, Team D, who write and execute the code, and Team O, who will deploy and monitor the application in real-world environments. Team D was working on a face recognition system for 5 months, and after that, the system could recognize people, remember their names if once given as input, etc. They then handed over their creation to Team O, which tests it in the real world. Team O found that the system could not recognize older people and babies, whereas Team D didn't face this situation. Team D should again develop the system so that it could work perfectly. When Team D was working, Team O was sitting idle. This problem would not have arisen if they had worked in collaboration. This is why DevOps was created, so that development and operations could work together. Azure DevOps contains a set of new dev services that you can use to plan smarter, collaborate, and ship faster. Some of the important Azure DevOps services are Azure Boards. It lets you keep track of all the activities that are happening. It contains agile tools using which you can plan, track, and discuss work across your teams. Azure Pipelines. It can be used to automatically build, deploy, and test the code project with continuous delivery and continuous integration to regularly and consistently test and build the code and ship to any target. Azure Repose. It is a set of version control tools using which the code can be managed. Azure Repose is a cloud-hosted private Git repository. You can collaborate to build better code with pull requests and advanced file management. Azure Test Plans. It is a service where you can group test cases and their dependent tools and ship them to necessary environments. Azure Artifacts. It is a package management solution that allows us to create and share Maven, NPM, and NuGet packages that can be both public and private to an organization with teams of any size with a single click. Azure Dev Test Labs. Using this service, you can quickly create the lab for any environment like development or test in the cloud and make the necessary software, tools, and packages available to the lab users. In summary, in this video, we have covered the following topics. An overview of the important Azure DevOps services. In the next video, we will take a look at Azure App Services.